Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Pass question number 33. And the instruction here says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that is nearest in meaning to the word in italics. And then we're using this instruction to answer question 31 to 40. And the word italics here is called responsive. And the statement says we find most practices in our culture responsive. We find most practices in our culture responsive. Option A means acceptable. Option B says annoy. C say arcade. D say attractive. E say disgusting. Acceptable. When something is acceptable, it means that it is good, it is nice. When something is annoying, that it is provocating or irritating. Then when something is archaic, it is old or out of fashion. When something is attractive, it is charming. Something that is charming, something that is good looking. Then something that is provocative is vile, is disgusting. And responsive means something that is vile, something that is disgusting in nature. So the option that relates to the word repulsive here is disgusting. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.